Hello. Welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission training series. In this segment you will learn how to search for documents you have submitted to Iowa Land Records. This includes navigating the search function, searching by county, searching by document type, and exporting search results. First, we will review the navigation of the e-submission search function. Start by selecting Search on the menu of the e-submission homepage. Select the drop-down menu next to Search by or Sort by. Notice that you can search by creation date, recording date, or submission date. For this demonstration, select Submission date. Using the search tool, you can search by several different criteria. Select the drop-down next to Add criteria to view the different criteria you can search by. Search by county, date, document type, group name, submission group status, submission number, submission status, a user's first name, and a user's last name. Once you add search criteria, you can select the search button and a list of documents relating to that criteria will generate. Now that you know how to navigate the search form, watch this tutorial to review how to search by county. County is one of the most common criteria to search by. Start by selecting Search on the menu of the e-submission homepage. Again, remember to search by submission date. From the drop-down menu next to Add criteria, select County. Locate the county that you would like to search. For this demonstration, we will select Allamakee County. A county can be selected by double-clicking the county name. When double-clicked, it will move over to the right search window. Multiple counties can be selected. To remove a county from the right search window, simply double-click it again. Another method for selecting a county is to highlight the county name. You can then use the arrow to move it to the search window on the right. Once you have selected the county, select the search button at the bottom of the page. The search will generate a list of documents you have submitted for Allamakee County. Now that you have searched by county, watch this demo on searching by document type. Start by selecting the drop-down arrow next to Add criteria. From the drop-down menu, select Document Type. A list of document types will appear. For this demonstration, we will choose condominiums. Use the arrow to move the document type condominiums to the right search window. Select the search button. Notice that a table of documents has been generated. Looking at the document type column, notice that all of the document types are condominiums. Notice the group that is named Parsons. In some cases, you may wish to narrow your search by group name. You can do this by adding another search criteria. To search by group name, select the drop-down arrow next to Add criteria. Select the group name item. Once you select group name, a text box will appear. Enter the group name Parsons. Then select the double chevrons to collapse the expanded search criteria. Note that the document type condominiums is listed as a search criteria. In addition, note that the group name Parsons is listed as a secondary search criteria. Select Search. Note that the table of documents has narrowed to include only the document type condominium and groups named Parsons. Each office has their own internal business practices. Now that you know how to search for documents using different criteria, watch this demonstration to learn how to use search criteria to generate and export a list of documents you have submitted to Iowa Land Records. To get started, select the drop-down arrow next to Add criteria. Select County to search for documents by county. For this example, we will select Adair County. Then we will use the arrow to add Adair to the right search window. Next we will add additional criteria. Select date. Enter the begin date using the tab key to jump from one text box to the next. First enter the month. Then enter the day. Last enter the year. If you don't enter an end date, the search will assume that the current date is the end date. Select Search to search for documents in Adair County for the specified date range. Again, you can use the double chevrons to collapse the search criteria. Select Export to save a copy of the documents listed. After clicking Export, a message will appear at the bottom of the screen asking if you would like to open or save the document. Select Save, then select View Downloads. The View Downloads Internet Explorer window will open. You can then save the document to your computer. Congratulations! You now know how to search for your e-submission documents by navigating the search format, searching by county, and searching by document type. You also know how to export search results for documents during a given time period. Thank you for participating in the Iowa Land Records training program. More resources and training information can be found in the tutorials section at iowalandrecords.org/e-submission. For the latest news about activities at Iowa Land Records, please follow us on Twitter, @Iowa Land Records. Again, thank you and have a great day.